Hi, I think it's only fitting that we show you the end result of Carli 5. And what you do to do it yourself is go to the GitHub for Carli. So let's see what it provides. GitHub Carli. What do we get? Carli GitHub, that's cool. Nope, that's uncool, super uncool. We want Carli from ArcoLinux. Look at that, there are other names. So, not a great hit here. GitHub ArcoLinux ISO. And in here we have the Carli. So download this one either by downloading with the button or git clone this URL. Then you'll have the same thing I have, and that's gonna be Carli 5, right? So let's test it out for sure that what I have, you have as well. Test push. Oop, one file has changed. Let's have a look. What have I pushed now with my test push? Okay, so the Calamares, quite important. The Carli Calamares config. Without it, you can't build it. Good that we've done that. Now, of course, I'm going to be a little bit thinking, hey, did I forget something? So I'm going to push everything now. Oops, that's okay. So nothing changed there. You have it all. Everything you have is online. Test push. Oops, there's something else that is online now. Why did I close this? We've added this one. So a new number release. Well, it would have worked anyway because it's okay. It's just a name I changed there, variable that we changed. And then what else? And then we're gonna build and show you what we've done. Just making sure you have the same as I have on my machine. It's basically what we're doing, pushing it to the net. Everything is the same, just the databases have been updated, so nothing new for us. And then we're gonna build, and we're gonna test it out. So we have the out and the work folder, but in the build sh there is something to clean it up. And we're going to run this with sudo build sh. What happens? Out is gone, work is gone, and of course work comes back again. So first a clean slate approach. And if it's if you've done lots of installations, or if it has been a while, you remember you can always do a very clean install with sudo pacman -scc, which is going to clean out the cache from pacman. Not gonna do it, so it's gonna be a little bit faster. So we get this in, it seems, an update for KMix and our own update number 8. Pausing the video here and waiting for everything to install. Then I'll be back and showing you what we've done until now. Alright, the ISO is out. It's gonna be in our out folder. You know the drill already. It's here. Super F7. We're gonna launch it. Make sure you have the correct ISO number there. We were playing around with our Carli logo, so that's the new one. I changed it even. Next time, it's all fun, right? Fun and games, this thing. Carli is there for you to learn. And for me to experiment. That's my win. I can try things out differently than on ArcoLinux. One of the things, for example, I just saw a line there that halted. We use a reflector to update our servers, and here we still keep everything as it was on Arch ISO idea. So nothing boots up. We haven't done that, and I don't think it will be our intention to do it automatically. So you keep telling the user, okay, if you want to experiment, have a look, this is our system. If you want to install, then you type install system. Calamares is going to pop up, and then it's up to you. This we should still or delete or figure out. I don't think we have a browser or anything. Conqueror is a browser, of course. We could have a look at that. Conqueror, but it has always a problem. I don't know why this Conqueror always gives me a problem. Oh yeah, keyboards. But it is working, okay, fine. So we'll see that later. So this is what we've done. Calamares is built. We have languages. Maybe we could change in a language. Since we've done always American English, we could take Espanol, de Mexico, or de España. So everything changes. And we take the next one. Brussels is fine. We take, of course, Belgium with the keyboard stays the same. All right. Next one, and then we're going to do a clean install and erase everything. Sin swap, with swap, without swap. Just sin swap, it's VirtualBox anyway. Full name, password. Still a complex password. That is the new approach of Calamares to make it difficult, more professional, let's say, to get a professional, difficult password and a check for it. So we are waiting for everything to install. There's not much to see here, so I'm gonna pause the video. Well, let's not pause the video. Let me show you what's important. Repetition is always a good thing. Calamares can be found in etc Calamares. This is what we created. This is new. This is a new package also. So in here is the settings configuration. He's going over all the settings, and this is basically the guideline, the how do you say that in English? The sequence of events, right? So first we had a lot of show things, welcome, and a partition, who are you, and then a summary. And now he's executing. He is actually doing this one, unpack FS system. Now, while he's doing that, he will take a look at, let's go for this one, that one, that one. So we see pop-up again. So we are going to extract a large file, a big file. That's then, well, can I get a detached tab, please? That file is going to be in run ArchISO. This is the content of the file, so this thing needs to go on your machine, and the file itself is inside, yeah, this one, 1.9 gigabyte. Is at this point in time being unsquashed, unpacked, unzipped into your future system, and the future system is here in the temp folder. At some point in time, he's also going to copy paste a kernel over, and that's why this thing is here. There is no kernel in ArchISOs. Yes, there is, of course, but it's not where it should be. So we're going to copy paste it over. Was it here? Here. This one needs to be copied over here with a name change as well. So you see this pop up suddenly in a few seconds. What's also important is that Calamares has this configuration, so that we make our configuration here in etc Calamares, but there is more. There is a user bin thing. That's the Calamares application itself. You can have a look at that, but that's just an executable. What you need to have a look as well, so that's user bin. The lib is interesting to take a look at. Calamares is here with all its modules. So the actual programming in Python and all kinds of languages, different kind of things. It's a mixture of languages that we have here. Here you see the VM Linux coming up, and this is my system where we're working on, and we have also this VM Linux thing. So we need to have that, otherwise we get this error that we've got in the videos. So we've solved everything piece by piece, and there's just one thing I've got to say, and that's the user another folder, but that's okay. It's in the other videos as well. User, share, Calamize, I think. Yep. So we're booting. Oops, did I? No, Control R. Let's check again. I think I booted up wrong line. So we need to boot existing OS. Let's not boot up from the ISO, but boot up from the thing we had just created. And it says ArcoLinux, right? Did it say Carli? I think it didn't. Anyway, we can all change that. That's the fun in games. We can change everything. And this is our result. Maybe I can play a little bit with the plasma, set some things the way I would like to set it, and show you some stuff. So we have plasma installed. This is plasma. Oh yeah, somebody asked me, hey Eric, how can I change this menu? And I actually forgot to make a video about it. Promised it on the forum. But this is it. Just change it here. Cambiar, right? So change. And we got this menu. Right again, right mouse click. Mostrar alternativos. Lanzador de aplicaciones. Cambiar. And we have got this. So we can change to this one as well. And that's gonna be something like that. Maybe you like this also. Why not? Actually nice icons, right? This is a particular nice icon. Whoa, cool. All right, so that's another menu. And you choose the menu you like. It's just right mouse click here, then change on the button menu de aplicaciones, cambiar, and go, and you got something else. This is what I like the best, smallest. So we've installed quite a bit, and it's all in Spanish now, so that's okay. So that's one of the advantages of the real desktops. The real desktops have a translation most of the time, and the others don't. Tiling window managers often do not have that. So if that's important for you, you go for this one, for instance. What else would I do? What else would I do? I would go in here and take a look. So we have the system settings, and we go to the, oh, it's a little bit different here because of the language. So this one, this is the reference. We are the number, the version we're working on. So always interesting to show. And then we go to the top, tema global, right? We have brisa, so breeze is probably is translated to brisa. Now we've learned something. And we go to lots of choices. Again, brisa here. I'm not using the dark ones. I'm not quite happy with the dark ones yet. I haven't found anything that really suits, that can replace Arc Dark. There is an Arc Dark, but it's not that, you know. What we can do, it's just as a matter of having some fun. What we can do is, well, first of all, the terminal. We have a Yakuake, right? F12, acceptar, yes please. So yay is installed, question mark, yay. We forgot to install yay, guys. So we need to get some more stuff in there. Let's write down what stuff I can do in the next video, right? So yay would be a good idea to have yay. No problem. In the meantime, we'll have some fun. Internet. Do I have a browser? I do not. So Firefox it is. Next ISO version 6 will have F12 sudo pacman -s Firefox. Cool. Everything in Spanish. I definitely need to do something about my speed. Must be the wind. Alright, we have Firefox. Why do I need Firefox? I'm gonna get yay. How do you get yay? Either you build it, but actually we can tell you something super strange probably, saying, oh, what are you doing? We can actually download it from our repo as well. That's a possibility, but let's just do a normal yay bin thing. Find it, download the snapshot, save it, go for it, unpack it, extraer, okay, aquí, and then delete this one, and then make package, acciones. Ooh, here I can change already something that I do not like, if I miss if it's not there, configurar, no, that's not it. I want to actually change the toolbar, the barras. Terminal, abrir terminal is what I want to do, and I want to have it at the top. Actually, I think that's a bit too, here I think, acceptar. It's gonna be here, abrir terminal. That's something I like to have. There are other things I like to have as well, like the up thing, which is not gonna work up. Let's see. Up. Navigate up. Here, up, arriba. Of course, arriba. Okay, put you there. And then the folder, opening a folder, what would that be? Carpetas primero. Cerrar is close, cerrar, carpetas. Open a folder is what I'm looking, no, create a folder is what I'm looking for. Crear, something maybe. Crear carpeta, okay, that's that, open folder. But down there. Okay, here, acceptar. So we have ordenador. Abrir terminal. Oh, okay, it's here now, but I'll normally have them here, and it's at this point here. But we're just playing around. So abrir terminal, and we do make package. Cannot find the fake root binary. Okay, sudo pacman -s. What are these things called again? Everything is online. Everything is online. ArcoLinux d.com. Go to phase 5, archway, phase 1, bias, or the other one, EFI. What we are going to get at some point in time is, keep scrolling, even scrolling further. Mirror list, here we are, base and base development. So this is the stuff that everybody needs. So, okay, I put you here. Where is my yay bin? Do we have that? Let's check. Do we have base? C, I have to say now, instead of yes. Ooh, very slow. Control C. Come on. Okay, so that's there. So the question is, maybe next time we install base development. Oh yeah, that's not present. So we write down yay gonna be installed, yay bin we need, Firefox we need, base development you need, has extra packages to have a working system, to have to be able to do some things, right? Building a package is, well, you know, necessary, but the speed is awful. It's really super awful. What is this speed? We have something called Pacman mirrors or something. What was it again? Or mirrors something? Nope. I'm gonna pause the video, let it download so you don't waste your time. Alright, I went to the mirror list and I'm getting my data from Hong Kong, guys. Woo! Super speed. I'm in Belgium, remember? So this is not what I want, not Vietnam, not Bulgaria, not Canada. France might be a better thing. So this is a better approach. I can't, can I or can I not? Oh yeah, it's a long password I have to type here. Okay, so things are coming from France now, the mirror list. Okay, in the meantime, he has installed it. So what we've done is base devel, it's written down, it's gonna be on the next ISO. Then, yay, right? We want to make the package. And then we need git. Okay, let's put git next time on the package as well. -s git. Okay, write it down. Git is another candidate to put on the ISO. Make package. And off we go. We have yay. So sudo pacman -u yay bin. It's installed. I don't recall why was I actually installing yay bin. To get my icons in. Okay, that's it. Ctrl-Alt-T is working. So yay. I wanted to get the surf and arc and something. Surf and arc breeze icons git. Number 1. That's the one I want to get in. That's my own icons. Let's see if everything is good. El arbol, the tree. Okay. Advertencia. It's cool. Cool to see it in Spanish. Really is. Okay. It's a way to learn your other languages, right? So we go to, oops, wrong button again, I think. Yep. Oh, you're out. You are the worst kind of thing. We don't want you here. Just, no, editor. No, cancelar. I just want to go here. Change the icons. Have a look. That's the cursors. These guys are installed. Good. Tipos de letras 10. Notos sans. Iconas. And here we have that one. Aplicar. Kill it. And now we have this thing. Other icons. What else should I do? Probably another wallpaper. Abrir con Dolphin is not the one I want. Configurar escritorio is better. Come on. Alright, we have some wallpapers to choose from. Acceptar, thank you very much. And we have that already. We have also F12. We have also yay arc. KDE. Yeah. So there is the RKD wallpapers, RKD Git. But we've created our own system, and maybe it's a good thing to install it so you know the difference between ours and theirs. So that's another possibility to change a theme. Well, so many themes out there. You just choose one. So arc dark, applicar. So we get this black thing here. But the icons, I didn't like the icons down here. So I've created my own ArcoLinux version of it. So that's everybody's taste, right? We got these things. Okay, that's that. All right, I guess that's pretty much what I do. Everything is just working nice. We have a nice thing with conkeys. Okay, really, do we need conkeys, right? But we do have the possibility to add these extra things. Normally there's this icon up here, and in Spanish it's a bit difficult for me. Is it this one? Yeah, that's that one I wanted to have. And here we can add sort kind of conky kind of things, hard disk space. This, for instance, is something to show to people. Okay, there it is. So moving it is keeping it, well, first escape, I think. Need to get rid of that. And then keep clicking with the left mouse, keep pressing until you get the permission to move it. And this is this, right? Not that bad. As an impression, as a first installation of Carli 5 Plasma. And now everything is possible, right? We add some more applications, we add some more configurations, and at some point in time you say, this is it, this is what I want to deliver to the public or deliver to yourself. It's all game and fun here. But at some time maybe it will get more serious and you make a distribution for the community. All right, have fun making your own distro.